Hello, beautiful ones. Welcome to my channel. And I always like to say, I bring you the wellness and the woo. And I say that tongue-in-cheek and with respect to the woo-woo. Today is going to be more wellness focused, and I think you will enjoy and get benefit from this. And it's called cleansing or tapping the 8 nests. And it is a practice from TCM, from traditional Chinese medicine. It is the same system that underlies acupuncture, if you've ever had acupuncture, of energizing meridians that flow on the body. Meridians are energy channels that nourish our organs according to traditional Chinese medicine. I have done this practice and similar practices, and in my shiatsu training, which is a type of massage based on the same system, I've seen it have really wonderful effects. Now, some precautions are going to come up because, of course, there are always precautions, okay? So please read those. And I'll share in voiceover as we do the practice a little bit more about it. But you should know before we start what it is. So what are these 8 nests? Okay, so traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, uses a lot of metaphors, but the metaphors are really beautiful. So think of a bird's nest, how it's like all the twigs and everything tangled together and it holds things, right? So it's like that metaphor. The 8 nests are the armpits, the elbow crease, the back of the knee, and the hip crease. Okay, interestingly, this is where we have a lot of lymph glands, right? That's interesting, okay? So it is a practice to move the energy and help detoxify and shift what's called stagnation in TCM. Again, just like in nature, in this system, our bodies are seen as part of nature, and so our energy should flow more like fresh water versus the stagnant hollows where things can collect. Basically purify the body, again, working on different energy meridians. And so it's called 8 nests because you've got 4 of them and they're 2 sides. I think that's about it. Let's get started. And with anything, if you're unsure, ask your doctor, ask your medical provider. And again, the precautions are going to pop up here now. And I'll tell you more as we do it. Okay, so let's get started. Come to a comfortable standing position, the feet about hip distance apart. And just placing the hands on the abdomen to begin to relax the body, taking some deep breaths in and out. Breathe deeply. Feel your belly expanding as you inhale and dropping in as you exhale. All the practices we'll do with a cupped hand by taking the right hand and at the left elbow crease, just beginning to tap with the cupped hand 36 times. On the inner arms, we have the heart protector, and lung meridians. And let's do the other side. Keep breathing, stay as relaxed as possible. Shift to the armpit. So again, start by treating the left side, tapping 36 times. At the armpit, we have the heart and gallbladder meridians. And other side. The hand is behind the head, the palm just resting behind the head as you tap. And now using the edge of the hand like a knife, the pinky side of the hand, we're going to go to the groin area the hip crease. At the groin, we have the stomach and spleen pancreas, energy meridians. And now, bending forward slightly, we will go to the back of the knees with the cupped hands. And behind the knees works on the kidney and bladder meridians. And just end by taking a few breaths and noticing any subtle sensation of energy flow or tingling or increased looseness and warmth in your body. Ideally, do this in the early morning or at least before 9 p.m. at night. Also, do feel free to go a bit slower, take your time, take it easy, listen to your body. If you feel strong and started slow, you can repeat the set 1 to 3 times a day if that works for you.